I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow a garden for spaghetti ingredients. First, let's plan your garden space. Find a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day, as most spaghetti ingredients thrive in full sun. Next, decide which key ingredients you want to grow, such as tomatoes, basil, and garlic. Finally, assess your local climate and soil conditions to choose the best plant varieties for your region, ensuring a bountiful harvest. Once your garden is planned, it's time to get planting. Begin by preparing your soil. Enrich it with organic compost to boost nutrients and improve drainage. When planting, follow the specific instructions for each seed or seedling, paying close attention to recommended spacing. Consistent watering is crucial, particularly during dry spells, to help your plants establish strong roots and produce a generous yield for your delicious spaghetti. Protecting your garden from pests is vital for a successful harvest. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of insects or disease and address issues promptly. Consider using organic pest control methods, such as neem oil spray or introducing beneficial insects. When your ingredients are ready, harvest them at their peak ripeness. This ensures maximum flavor and quality for your homemade spaghetti sauce, making all your hard work worthwhile. Now for the best part, enjoying the fruits of your labor. Gather your freshly harvested tomatoes, basil, and garlic to craft an incredible homemade spaghetti sauce. There's nothing quite like the taste of ingredients grown right in your own garden. Share this special meal with loved ones, savoring every bite. For those looking to cultivate financial growth alongside their garden, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Happy gardening and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.